टाकी फुटल्या तिचे लक्ष ना. एक घाणीचे उदक परत सगळ्या लोकांच्या दारांनी वयतात, लोकांच्या हितून वयतात. आणि जी टाकी आसा पळय ती टाकीच्या वयर ते गार्डन बांदला तेची कुयदाद घेतली वचना. उलट त्या झाडांनी आणि खाण वास आणि जराळीचो पसर चालू आसा. त्याच्या वयर ही टाकी बांदल्या तेची कुयदाद घेतली ती ओवरफ्लो जाता. ओवरफ्लो जावन जमिनीसून भायर सरल्या तरी हे न्हिदलेले आसा. म्हाका दिसता फाल्यां हांव तांकां जाप विचारूंक वयतलें आमची आनी विचारून कितें घेता की बाबा हे करतले बेगीन काय ना काय तेचेर फुडें आमकां फुडें कोणाक सांगचें पडटलें हेची गरज आसा.
We have given a lot of complaints with regards to this septic tank that is overflowing over here. Different authorities have been informed already, but there is no action that has been taken. It's been very difficult. There's smell and moreover mosquitoes breeding over here. It's very difficult for the residents over here to stay, as well as it's impossible for us. We have complained, we have spoken to many of the authorities, but till now there is no action taken over all this matter. It is only that one day they'll come empty the septic tank, the next day it's back into the same position, overflowing. It overflows, and where the water goes nobody knows, but it goes underground and we are not aware also of where the water is going. But it is full septic water that is of the hospital, that also may be various disease and other this which is flowing through that water. Some action has to be taken. Some authorities have to go ahead and stop this.